wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best laundry hampers. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. If you have to trudge down to the local laundromat to get the washing done, the Rubbermaid Flex and Carry could be your ideal companion. It fits comfortably into a car trunk and is roomy enough to accommodate 2 loads of clothes, so you can make fewer trips. It's available in white or royal blue, in a tall and slim design that saves space. However, the handle covers pop off easily. At number 9, the urban Mom Nook is the ideal solution for small spaces. This sturdy cotton canvas bag comes with over-the-door hooks to hang it out of the way, and it has a convenient zipper at the bottom for unloading when it gets full. It's a great idea for college students and is available in 5 different colors, but it's not great for wet items. Coming in at number 8 on our list. Designed with comfort and simplicity in mind, the OXO Good Grips is a handy choice for a student heading off to campus or anyone just starting out. It has thick handles with padded foam, which allow for comfortable lifting and simple portability. It's equipped with flexible lid flaps for easy loading and maintains its structure over time. However, it is a tad on the small side. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for laundry hampers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Basket Lady offers beautifully handcrafted wicker units in shades of walnut brown, serene grey and toasted oats. With its stout pole frame and strong wooden bottom, this makes an attractive and useful addition to your bath or washroom. It comes with removable liners and 3 separate compartments, but note that it is hand-dyed so the colors may vary. Moving up our list to number 6. Standing only 24 inches tall, the Household Essentials Compact Bamboo will easily slide into a closet or under a bathroom countertop. It includes a cream-colored sack with wood grips that can be lifted out and carried to the utility room when it's time to run a load. It features slats across the front and back and a fabric layover lid. It's easy to assemble. Halfway up our list at number 5. The Krug brushed copper is constructed with a water-resistant interior that's well ventilated to allow airflow through your clothes so there's no moisture buildup. Its sleek exterior plating is invulnerable to rust and corrosion, meaning it'll last for years. It's suitable for any room and comes with a medium-density fiberboard top. It hides the contents discreetly. At number 4, the ACME Soy Rolling is super simple to put together and glides smoothly over almost any floor surface. It contains folding rods that support each corner, comes in black or white, and only takes seconds to disassemble so that it can be packed to take with you when traveling. It features powerful Velcro closure, a PVC waterproof material, and a very reasonable price. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Constructed of tightly woven polyester, a strong bottom, and a reinforced rim, the clevermade snap basket can be used to pick up items of clothing from around the house. When it's not in use, it can be completely collapsed and stored away in any drawer. There are 10 color options and it wipes clean easily. It holds up to 55 pounds. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for laundry hampers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, available in 2 finishes, the Birdrock Home Oversized is woven from abaca and seagrass fiber, lending a touch of elegance to any space while keeping your unmentionables out of view. It has roomy cutout hand slots on either side, making it a cinch to carry. The lining is machine washable, and it offers 2 compartments. It's 27 inches tall. And coming in at number 1 on our list, wash day can be a lot less of a chore with the Seville Classics mobile sorter. The 3-compartment system makes it easy to separate loads throughout the week, and the integrated fold-down ironing board provides a place to press and fold items before putting them away. It boasts a heat-resistant top cover, mesh reinforced with PVC, and locking back wheels. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for laundry hampers, or simply click beneath this video.